which is given today, and you have given the surahs and the ayat from the Quran. Surah 1788 says, if all mankind and the jinn would come together to produce the like of this Quran, they could not produce it. But History of Al-Tabari, volume 6, page 107, Ibn Shahat, Kitab al-Tabqat, Al-Kabir, volume 1, parts 1 and 2, pages 236 and 239, Ibn Ishaq, Sirat Rasulullah, page number 165, 167, says that Muhammad was inspired by the Satan and spoken on behalf of three goddesses, Allahat, Al-Uzza, and Mannat, saying that their intercession is hoped for. After some time, later upon receiving further revelation from angel Gabriel, that those verses were not from Allah, but inspired by Satan. My question is, this incident has several implications. The challenges of the Quran to bring the surah like it in Surah 1788 was actually met by those satanic words in Muhammad's own time, right? Which in turn leads to the conclusion that the rest of the Quran, is this from Allah either?
Brother, what's your name?
I'm Danny, I'm a student. I'm studying on the book.
Brother Danny has asked a very good question.
Yes, sir.
That he quoted Surah Isra, chapter 17, verse number 88. That says that if all the men and jinn got together to produce the like of the Quran, they will not be able to do it. That's also repeated in Surah Tur, chapter number 52, verse number 34. Just to help you out. And I'll give you more references. But he said, quoting Tabari and etc., that this verse of the Quran was from Satan. Maybe you read it wrong. It was an allegation that people said these words of the Quran are from Satan, and immediately the revelation came of Surah Waqia, chapter 56, verse number 77-80, saying that this book is well preserved, who none shall touch except those who are pure. A book well guarded by the Lord of the worlds. This verse came to say that no one be able to touch the Quran in Lohe Mahfuz, in tablet well preserved, except the Mutaharin, that is the pure angels, indicating that the Satans can come close nowhere to the Quran. So this was an allegation laid by the mushriks of Makkah on the Prophet that this is a Satan handiwork. In reply to this, there are various verses. Quran says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 82, Quran says, أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ وَلَوْ قَانَ مِنْ عِنْدِ غَيْرِ اللَّهِ لَوْجَدُوا فِي اخْتِلَافًا كَثِيرًا. Do they not consider the Quran with care? Had it been from anyone besides Allah, there would have been many contradictions. Besides this, please let me reply, brother. Yeah. Besides this, what you mentioned, Allah gives the challenge that if you say it's from Satan, in Surah Tur, chapter 52, verse number 34, and Surah Isra, chapter 17, verse 18, that if all the men and the jinns got together, they would not be able to produce a like of the Quran. Then Allah makes the challenge easier. Allah says in Surah Hud, chapter number 11, verse number 13, I am giving you more material to attack. Allah says in Surah Hud, chapter number 11, verse number 13, if all the men and the jinns got together, they will not be able to produce 10 surahs like the Quran.